Hello and welcome to the 3 crowns tutorial. In this tutorial I'm using a laptop so that you can see my mouse pointer, but it's better to play on a tablet and touch with your finger instead of clicking. In the game you'll discover lots of different worlds. Your aim is to collect all 3 crowns in every world by travelling along the paths and completing levels. First things first, you can choose your character and your Zorblix by clicking on the Preferences button here. I like this character, so I'm going to click on her. And I like the baby Zorblix, so I'm going to click on the baby. If you click on the Worlds button here, you will see which world you're in. I've only just started playing, so you can see that my character is in the first world. That means that there's lots more worlds left for me to discover. When you're ready to start playing, you can click on any level that's flashing. Right now, there's only one level that's flashing, so I'm going to click on that one. When you're playing, you'll see signs like this one telling you which kinds of creatures are the good creatures that you need to collect. Right now, the instruction is saying red. That tells me that red creatures are good creatures. So I need to collect all of the red creatures to finish the level, like this one. But I have to be very careful because if I bump into a bad creature, then I'll lose the level. Hooray! I collected all of the good creatures, so I won the level. When you finish a level, you'll go back to the map screen so that you can choose what you want to do next. Did you see the sign pop up while I was playing? It told me that I'd achieved something. So right now you can see that the achievements button is flashing. Let's see which that one was. Not here. Not here. Here it is, flawless. I completed a level without touching anything bad. Oh, did you see that picture of a creature on it? That's telling me I've collected a secret creature. Now I've finished that level and I'm back at the map screen. And look, the gallery button is flashing because I collected a secret creature. All the secret creatures that you managed to collect are kept in your gallery. You won't know which creatures are secret creatures until you collect them, but after you collect them, you'll be able to see them in your gallery. In my gallery now, you can see that I've already collected 2 secret creatures. Also, have you noticed now that I've already collected 6 stars? That's because for every level that you complete, you win 1 star. When you have enough stars, you can buy upgrades. If you click on the upgrades button, you can see how many stars you need. Right now, because I've got 6 stars, I have enough to buy more speed, like this. Some levels are special. This one that I just completed was a special level. You can see it's a special level because an atom has appeared. That means that I've won an atom. You can see your atom count here. So I've got 1 atom now. So now you can see that the prizes button is flashing. Every time I win an atom, I get 1 step closer to winning my prize. I can see that I'm 1 step closer because my character has climbed up the ladder a little bit. When my character gets to the top of the ladder, then I win my prize. So that's the end of the 3 crowns tutorial video. Get playing!